Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video today we will see the troubleshooting while we are giving multi-level numbering to a paragraph or a list, then what the troubles will come, that we will try to sort out in this video. So first of all we will see here the example. Here you can see the paragraph. It has multi-level numberings. So what is the troubleshooting? We will see here first. Here you will see 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, but here 2.1 again. So that we have to, how we can change? We will select these two and we will go in format paint and we'll select this and it will automatically change 2.4. In next problem we will see here, it is continuation to previous unit 3. It is not showing 4.1, so we will go in multi-level and here we will go in define multi-level and we will click and you will find this type of define new multi-level list. Here we will directly put 4.1 and we will select the numbers. Here we will define 1 and it is level 2, so we will selected level 2 and from here we will start for 1. It is 4.11 and now here we have to select numbers, so we have to write here 4.1 only, so we will delete others and OK. So you can see it has now corrected. In next problem you can see it is 4.1, 4.2, but down it is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So at level 2 we have to correct this. For that what we will do, we will select first one 4.1 and 2. We will go directly format paint and we will select the down one and it will correct automatically. Now we will set the space by directly clicking down, matching to 4.1 and 4.2. So you can see it is automatically corrected. In next problem you can see in 5th unit, it is the third level 111. It is showing 111. It should be 5.111. So but how we will correct this? We will go again in define multi-level list. In that, in this interface here we will change, put directly 5.1.1 and we will select its label. It is third level, so we will select here directly 3 and OK. So it is corrected. You can see 5.1.1. The same way we can go in 5.2. Here again it's a level 3 corrections. We will go to define multi-level list. In that, define new multi-level list. We will open the interface. Again here directly we will put 5.2.1 and again we will select this level 3 and OK. So now it is also corrected. So unit 5, all labels are set. Now we will go for next correction. Here you can see after unit 2 all sentences are 2.1. So for that, how we can correct it? So first of all we will go in unit 1 and 1, 2 and 3, copy, format paint and select. So you will see it is change now. So next problem is, here you can see it is 2.2.1 and here it is 2.3. So we need to correct this now. Here directly we will select all data where we want to give the numbering. We will go and select define new multi-level. So you will find a interface. In that, here we will directly enter as per our requirement numbers. So 2.3.1 we have entered and OK. So it is now corrected. And same we will copy here from above any one sentence, and we will go in format paint and correct 2.1 to 2.4. So this is how we can change. Next we can see here unit 5. In that it has a multi-level, means 4 level numbering. So we will go in multi-level command and we can change here list label, first option, and in that we will select as per our requirement, second level. So this is how we can change here label directly. Here you can see in third level it is continuation to above second level 1.4 and here 1.5. So how we can correct this? It should be start from 1. So we will select it. We will select the all and we will do right click and restart at 1. So it will correct automatically. So here you can see it is 1.2 and above in second level it is 1.1, but it is continuation to above from G1. So how we can change? We will do right click and continue. So it will now continue 1.2.1. So above it was 1.1.1. Now next, here I have shown you how we can arrange speedy in rampant speed. These corrections we can make, because for each word file it is difficult to set label all the times. Go and set the label, it is difficult, and once you set the labels, again if you are doing minor corrections it is difficult. So here I have given some easy tools to handle these things. So I have shown these examples, we can easily correct those things. In our next problem we can see here it is 1.234 continuation for above. It should be in unit 2 2.1. So what we will do, we will do right click and set number values option we will select. So it will show small bracket that we have to correct. In that we have to manage, we will and choose the continuation from previous list. In that advanced values option, so it will open two bracket. In that we have to put our second level values, so it will correct. We have to click OK. Now you will find the option, it is corrected itself. Now we can see here our next problem is unit 3 and all are 1.1. So we will select them and we will click and set values option we will select, and again we will select here continuous previous list and add new values. So we will add here directly the values and click OK. So now you can see it is all corrected. So here you can see next problem is ready to sort out. Now I will discontinue this video. And how was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.